Hey, welcome to another Unity 3D tutorial. And in this video, we are going to learn how to debug your Android games on Android devices and get the logs on your desktop, Mac, or inside the Unity. So there are two primary ways. One is via Unity GUI, and the second one is from terminal command line. So first, let's see how to do it inside of Unity. First, open up your any project. So this is my chess flick game. Then click Windows, then find package manager. Once it's open, select Unity registry and search for Logcat, and you will find Android Logcat. Install that. Once you install that, connect your phone or device to desktop via debugging mode enable. Then open up Windows Analysis, then Android Logcat. And here you will find the particular device connected here and all the Logcats from the device. So the one thing important thing is this Logcat is independent of Unity. So even if it doesn't matter which Unity project you have opened in background, this Logcat will work device specifically. So even if you suppose I open my another game, Mr. Spy, then you can see my game's debug logs are coming here. So I'm playing the game right now. It's the second level. Yep. Now if we search here, suppose you can here search for Unity specific Logcats, or you can debug anything like AdMob. So if you see here, it's saying that application ID is wrong, so ads won't work in my game. And you can see the deadline. So Logcats doesn't get clear automatically. You need to manually delete that file, and it is locked from the 2nd November. But if we look at current date, then it's 15th November. So it's continuously running. Then you can disconnect, reconnect, you can capture screenshots, you can open terminal, you can stack trace utility, and all the various things you can do. So yeah, this is the first and good way to get Logcats. The second way, which I mostly prefer, is open up your terminal or command line, then type cd and come here Unity preferences, or in Windows edit preferences. Then copy this Android SDK file path and paste it here. Then enter. Then cd, again change directory to platform hyphen tools. And now type ADB. If you are on Windows, just type ADB. You don't need to add dot and forward slash. ADB logcat. And this will start showing all the logcats here installed. The good thing about this is you can search anything. So if I disconnect the device, then also you can search here. Instead, if you disconnect your device on the Unity's logcat uh, function, then it won't able to let you search the previous logcats. Now, if I disconnect the device, you can see the device has been disconnected and no new logcats are coming. Now, if here I can do Control F, then add more, and I can find the same errors which were in the Unity's logcat same. So this is the same file which Unity uses 2nd November. So yeah, those are the two ways you can do the Android games debugging in Unity. The first one is Windows Analysis Android Logcat, and second one via terminal. So if you let me know if you love this video, if you have any questions, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I weekly share 1 or 2 videos on Unity and game development in general. So yeah, see you in the next video.